So if you are scared of painting figures in watercolor, you have come to the right place. Today I'll teach you how to paint using your instincts rather than techniques. So we'll start off with some random marks. You can use any color or brush you have. And if you are not following me by now, pause the video and collect all your brush and color and follow my footsteps. So the idea is to consider these marks as torsos, where we will paint the head, the arms and the legs. But if you are scared and confused how you gonna paint it, and if you just fiddle and fiddle with it, trying to paint a beautiful figure, you will end up with an ugly one for sure. Fear is your worst enemy, get rid of it. Empty your mind. Feeling good is crucial in the process of art making. This first character is just an example of how fear looks. Don't do this. Paint from your instincts like I'm going to do now. So these are the characters we usually see on the streets. Just paint what your heart says and let watercolor do its thing. Practice this exercise till then you get better with your figures. Train your brain to observe these people on the streets, in movies or wherever you come across them. Do a little mind sketching before you put down your brush on paper. Okay folks, I don't like trash talking. The rest is just visual. I hope my efforts bring some value to your life. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep grinding.